Okay, this is going to be a video, Inequalities Lesson 3. We're going to go back to something called combining like terms. Remember, we always want to make sure that if I have variables on multiple sides, first thing I would do is see if I can combine any like terms. So when I look in here, this is alike, and this is alike. On this side, I got this is alike, and this is alike. Before I do any opposites, I have to go into Desmos, okay, and combine these like things. Okay, so that one would be 7 minus 5, which would be 2i, and then there's just a minus 4 here. This is going to be 8i, and I'm going to combine that 10 with, I can do positive 10 minus 18. That's negative 8. Okay, now back to variables on both sides, and I can proceed from here. Subtract 2i, subtract 2i. Careful, that's a negative 4. 8 minus 2 would be 6i minus 8. Okay, now we're down to separated and attached. Attached, separated. Add 8, add 8. Okay, I'm going to use that Desmos because I got negative 4 plus 8, which is 4. And then I want to divide by 6. Okay, so I got 4 divided by 6, which is 0.6. So 0.6 I, and since that is eating the number, close circle, shaded left. Okay? All right, so what I want to do is look to see if I can combine like terms. So I can combine this and this. Here I can combine this and this. So I got the 20i. I want to go right to Desmos and type that part, which would be negative 4 minus 6, which would be negative 10. And I want to do 15i minus 15 minus 10 is 5i plus 12, okay? And so now I'm down to variables on both sides. Subtract 5i, subtract 5i. That's going to be 15i minus 10 less than 12, okay? I want to move the separated, which will give me 15i is less than 22, and then I want to divide by 15. Okay, let's see what 22 divided by 15 is going to be. Okay, 1.4. Okay, that would be an open circle. And since it's eating the number, I'm shaded left. Okay, big thing. We're working on combining like terms. Okay, big thing. We're working on combining like terms. Okay, so in this one I got this and this. I got this and this, this and this, this and this. Okay, so I'm going to do each one, okay, there's an I there, all right, I'm going to combine those like terms. Okay, so I got 16 minus 6, and I got negative 4 minus 7. Okay, so I got 10i minus 11 on this side. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and go to this one now. All right, I got 6, positive 6 plus 2. I got positive 16 plus 55. So I got 8i and I got 71. Okay, so, okay, what I want to do is I want to move this variable. So I got 2i minus 11 less than or equal to 71. I want to add 11. That's 2i less than 82, and I want to divide by 2. Okay, 82 divided by 2 is 41. Okay, all right. So I got this and this, this and this, this and this, this and this. Okay, so once again, I'm going one deal at a time here. Okay, I got 7 minus 4, and I got 18 minus 10. So I got 3i plus 8. Okay, now what's this thing here? That's going to be a negative 1. Okay, so I got 7 minus 1, which would be 6I. And then I got negative 3 plus 12, which would be 9. Okay, I would subtract 3I, subtract 3I. I got 3I plus 9 and 8. Subtract 9, subtract 9. That's negative 1. And divide by 3. Okay, negative 1 divided by 3 is negative 0.3. Negative 0.3. Okay. Fill it in circle, shade to the left. Okay. They're not all going to be less than. That's how it's sort of working out right here. Okay. So what I'd like you guys to do, go ahead and pause your video and go ahead and work on these. Okay. This and this. Okay. So 17. Okay, 17 minus 6. Oops. Is 11I with a minus 7. This one is this and this. So I got the 3I. 60 minus 7 is 53. Now I can start doing the opposites. Subtract 3I, subtract 3I. That's going to be 8I minus 7 greater than 53. Add 7. That's going to be 8I greater than 60. And then divide by 8. Let's figure out what 60 divided by 8 is. That is going to be 7.5. Open circle on 7.5, shaded right. Okay? All right, like terms here are this and this, this and negative 1. Okay? So I'm going to have 5I. I got 42 minus 5 is 37, less than 14 minus 1 is 13, I plus 77, okay? So I would subtract 5I, subtract 5I, got 37 less than 8I plus 77, I'm down to separated attached, minus 77, okay? Negative 37, I'm sorry, 37, 37 minus 77 is negative 40. And divide by 8. Negative 40 over 8 is negative 5. Okay, these might be all greater than. It's sort of funny. Okay, let's go through a couple more. Okay. Here, and here, here, and here, here, and here, here, and here. Okay, so all Desmos. Okay, so 26 minus 12 and negative 14 plus 6. Got 14I minus 8. And then I got this other side would be 8 plus 2, which is 10, and then negative 4 plus 28 is 24. Okay, I would subtract 10I, subtract 10I. I got 4I minus 8 less than or equal to 24. Add 8. Got 4I less than or equal to 32. Divide by 4. I is less than or equal to 8. Fill it in circle, shade it that way. Okay? Alright. Got this and this, this and this, this and this, this and this. So I got 3I minus 5. Got 3 minus 5, which is negative 2I. I got 15 minus 4, which is 11. And on this side, I got 14 minus 8, which is 6I. And then negative 4 minus 26. Okay, now we're down to variables on both sides. Add 2i, add 2i. Okay, I do opposite here. I'm going to do 11 greater than 8i minus 30. Add 30. That's 41 greater than 8i. And divide by 8. 41 divided by 8. 5.1. Open circle, to the left. Okay? All right. Moving on. Okay? Want to do 3 more with you and give you 3. Okay? So, with these, what I'm going to have to do first, I'm going to have to get rid of the parentheses. How am I going to do that? I am going to multiply. 8 times I is 8i. 8 times 4 is 32. 2 times I is 2i. 2 times negative 6. Anytime you got negatives, you should always be using decimals. It's negative 12. Less than or equal to, multiply those. 7 times I is 7i. 7 times that is 84. Okay, let's look. Like terms. I got this, and this, this, and this. Okay? No like terms over there. I am good. Okay? No like terms. I am good. All right? So I want to go 8 plus 2. And 32 minus 12. So I got 10i plus 20, less than or equal to 7i plus 84. Subtract 7i, subtract 7i, 3i plus 20, less than or equal to 84. Okay? Subtract 20, 3i is less than or equal to 64, and divide by 3. 21.3. Okay? I want to distribute. Okay, 5 times I is 5i. 5 times negative 4 is negative 20. Okay, then I want to go 4 times 3i, which is 12i. 4 times 5, which is 20. Take 2 and multiply it. 2 times I is 2i. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. Okay? All right? Now, I got this and this. I got this and this and this and this. Once again, I'm going to go Desmos before I go anywhere. Okay? So in that first group, I got negative 20 plus 30, which is 10. So I got 5i plus 10. I'm going to go 12i plus 2, which is 14i. 20 minus 8, which is 12. Okay, separate and attached. Oh no, I'm sorry. Move the variables. That's 10 less than 9i plus 12. Subtract 12. I got negative 2 less than 9i, and divide by 9. Okay, negative 2 divided by 9 is negative 0.2, which that would be open circle shaded that way. Okay, and one more to go with you, and then you're gonna do 3 on your own. Okay, so I'm gonna distribute this. 2 times I is 2i. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. 5 times 2i is 10i. 5 times 7 is 35. 10 times I is 10i, 10 times 6 is 60. Okay, so we're going to look for like terms on both sides. Like. Nope, I'm good there. Like and like. Okay? All right, so I got 2 plus 10, which is 12 with an I. Negative 8 plus 35 is positive 27. I got 10i over here. I got positive 60 minus 4. That's positive 56. Now I'm down to separate and attached after I move the variable. Okay, it's going to be 2i plus 27 greater than 56. Subtract 27. That would be 29. Divide by 2. 14.5. Okay? All right. Go ahead and pause your video. I think I only give you 3. Let's see. Do I give you 3 or do I give you 4? I gave you 3. Okay, so go ahead and pause your video. Go to Go Formative. Go ahead and complete these. Okay? That would be 18i multiplying 18i plus 36 plus 2i minus 12. That should have been I here. 4 times I. 4 times 16 would be 64. Okay? So I got this, and this, this, and this. No like terms over here. Okay, so I got 18 plus 2, which is 20. 36 minus 12, which is 24. Okay, so minus 4i, that's 16i, plus 24, less than or equal to 64. Subtract 24, that would give me 40, and then divide by 16. $2.5. Okay, all right. So you just got to really watch your like terms. So this was probably one of the weaker things when we did solving equations, and we really have to watch out for it. Okay, multiply by those. That's going to be 10i minus 30. Okay, distribute that. That's 9i minus 27. 3 times 2i would be 6i. 3 times negative 7 would be negative 21. Okay, I'm good here. I got this, and this, this, and this. Okay, I got 9 plus 6, which is 15. Negative 27 minus 21. Which is negative 48. Okay, move this minus 10i. Okay, be careful because that's going to be now a negative 30. 5i minus 48. I want to add 48. Okay, I'm going to use my Desmos. That's going to be negative 30 plus 48, which is 18. So I got 18 greater than 5i. Divide by 5. I got I. 18 divided by 5 is 3.6. 3.6, open circle, shade it that way. Okay? And moving on to the last question. All right? Once again, once you're distributing parts, 12 times I is 12i. 12 times negative 7 is going to be negative 72 minus 10i. 3 times 4i is 12i, 3 times 6 is 18. 8 times I is 8i, 8 times negative 4 is negative 32. Okay, so if I'm looking over here, these are alike, these are alike. This is alike, this is alike, this is alike, this is alike. So I gotta get my like terms organized first before I do any opposites, okay? 12 minus 10, which is 2i, minus 72, and then I want to do, I got 12 plus 8, and 18 minus 32. That's 20i minus 14. Okay, now I just got to move one of those. Be mindful that that's going to stay negative 72. I want to add a 14 and add a 14. I'm going to use Desmos because it's involving negatives. Negative 72 plus 14 is negative 58. And then divide by 18. I is going to be greater than or equal to whatever negative 58 divided by 18 is. Negative 3.2. Go to the circle. I think that's it. Okay? By practicing that, we should be much better at combining like terms and then solving equations and inequalities.